Big Ben, London's iconic timekeeper, Part 2 finish. Big Ben's accuracy is renowned. Its clock mechanism, operated by gravity and precision weights, ensures accurate timekeeping to the second. Over the years, it has remained steadfast, even withstanding the test of time and occasional interruptions during major renovations. Visitors flock to the tower, yearning for a glimpse of this legendary timepiece. From capturing breathtaking photos to marveling at its majestic presence, Big Ben offers a sense of awe and inspiration to all who encounter it. As night falls, Big Ben takes on a magical aura, illuminated by a soft glow that accentuates its beauty. Its chimes continue to resonate, marking the passing hours and captivating the imaginations of those fortunate enough to witness this remarkable landmark.